Hey 9-to-5ers, tonight we're spending the night in the Jumbo Hostel in Sweden.
And we're going to answer all your questions about hostels.
Hey guys, we get questions all the time about our accommodation as we travel, so we thought that we would answer some questions that you guys have asked us. So our first question is, what is a hostel?
A hostel is like a hotel, but you stay in dorms instead of rooms. So you'll have one bed, and you'll share that bed with 2 to 30 people. I've stayed in a hostel where one room has had 30 people in bunk beds. And it just makes your accommodation much cheaper and a lot funner. You can stay in some really sweet spots, like right now we are in Jumbo Hostel in Stockholm, Sweden, and we're inside an airplane. I see that's a airplane. We're inside an airplane, and our room is located in the engine room, just below the wing. So you can stay in pretty unique spots.
This one's kind of fun because if you wiggle,
you wiggle the whole plane.
The whole plane is
we see everyone up there bouncing.
Another great thing about hostels is just the amount of people that you get to meet from all around the world. The amount of friends that we've made from Asia and Africa and everywhere. They always have a place at our home now back in the States, and we know that we could always go stay with them because we're such good friends.
Our second question is, how much do hostels cost?
So hostels range anywhere from $1 to $100 every night, with the average of them being around $20. The more unique ones, like this airplane, cost around $100, so more on the higher end. But in places like Southeast Asia, where everything is a lot cheaper, there are some that are even less than $1 every night.
So the price is per person or per bed, and it costs about $20 and includes your night stay, breakfast, a towel, or anything else that would be normally included in a hotel.
Sometimes hostels have cafes or restaurants adjoined with them, like in the same building, so you don't even have to leave the hostel if you're gonna go get food. And those,
which I love, to not leave my hostel to get some food.
He does.
The price also depends on if you want a dorm or a private room, because most hostels also have rooms where you can book a private room, which is just like a hotel room, instead of sharing it. So that definitely increases or decreases the cost.
So our third question is, are hostels safe?
Hostels are generally really safe, just as safe as any hotels in that same city.
Another thing that really helps with the security at hostels is most of them use locks, keys, key cards, that kind of stuff for everyone staying there. So unless you're staying at the hostel, you can't even get into it. And then most hostels also have age restrictions so that you don't have like
creepy old dudes just chilling there wanting to sleep by you.
Yeah, so
they're very safe. Hostels are like very safe and very reviewed and trusted.
Staying at a hostel is no more dangerous than staying at a hotel or an Airbnb in a city. So if you're going to a new place and want to meet some people, stay at a hostel. It's super fun and completely safe.
Which brings us to our next question, which is, what do we look for when we book hostels?
And my number one priority anytime we book hostels is the atmosphere.
The social environment, the uniqueness of the hotel.
It's way more fun when there is a place in the lobby to meet people, and like some hostels every single night have parties or like get to know you games, things like that, so you can meet everyone.
Another thing that we look for in hostels is Wi-Fi, because we have to have Wi-Fi to work and to live. No, it's not that important, but it is important if you want to stay connected while you are traveling, if that's important to you.
It is so annoying anytime we have stayed at a place that says they have Wi-Fi, because we were planning on doing work and then they don't. We want to kill them.
Yes, it's the worst. We often check out and then write them an offer review, and their business goes down within a year. Just kidding.
Nah. And another really important thing is the location in the city that you're staying in. It's really nice if it's around a train station, bus station, something like that, so that you can get around really easily.
And you want it next to the point of interest, next to like the Eiffel Tower or the Taj Mahal or whatever you're there to see, you want it right outside the door so when you look out your window, it's there. That's super important for your hostel.
Yeah, so those are all the things that we look for when we book hostels. So our last question is, how do you book hostels?
And we use a website called Hostelworld or Booking.com to find our hostels. They both have so many choices, and you can filter by reviews or rating, location, everything like that. And it shows you the prices and lets you book and gives you directions right all online. We'll leave a link down below so you can scroll down there and download it or go to the website from there. And while you're down there, hit like and comment about where you would like to go and stay at a hostel at.
You book hostels the exact same way that you book a hotel or Airbnb. You just go on, select the dates that you want and how many people are in your party, and then you can just book whichever rooms you want. Like Branson was saying, you can book private rooms, the guest rooms right from Hostelworld. So it's really fun. Woo.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys can go and book your own hostels now and know what to expect.
We're so excited to spend our night in the Jumbo Hostel.
Watch more of our channel and subscribe every Sunday.
Oh my gosh, my shoes smell so bad.
Test, chicken breast.
Let's make sure. Okay, we are rolling.